Guys, you're going to benefit from my 40 plus years of success. But even with all of that, what I have learned is that people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. And so it's important to be able to show how much you care. And that's what this is based upon, is nourishing network events. And it's about supporting great activity to solve and challenge world hunger by taking a bite out of world hunger. This will show you some of the networking events that I've been involved with. I put on big networking events with hundreds of people. And when I attended, a friend invited me to nourish a network at a local food sharing facility. I realized this is just the ideal place to hold networking events or to promote them using AI automation for content creation to share stories and tell about your background while at the same time making your networking have more of a purpose. So I've really created this as the first of a 5-part masterclass series. Every one of them is going to be 5 parts. Every one of them is going to be worth $500. So if you buy any one of them, I'm going to give you all 5 parts for just the $500 for a lifetime membership that will last as long as the Great Discovery does. So I really want to work in tandem, side by side, as a companion to the Great Discovery, help you understand how to reach out, network locally, and learn AI globally with world-class coaches and teachers. So this, in a nutshell, is my first interactive academy level course. I'm very excited about posting it. I use content automation, and that's why I have 3 times as many courses on the Great Discovery as anybody else. And I'm going to show you how to use automation to build a framework that goes much deeper than most AI tools and can really help you to super serve and to super share the networking event. So you're going to learn more about this, and you're going to really love this, a week in the life of AI and the future of you, taking it step by step, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'll stop there. I hope you will take this course.